Namaste, good morning to all. Hope you are all fine at home. Today we will prepare a polythene parachute. The material required for the polythene parachute are polythene cover, scissor, marker, tape and thread. First we'll make a canopy of the parachute. For that we need to draw a circle on the top of the polythene. I am using a round shaped plate. We'll keep this plate on the polythene cover. Adjust the sides of the polythene cover and draw a circle using the marker. We'll cut this polythene cover into a proper circle. We cut the polythene to round shape. It is better to use always a thin transparent polythene cover to make the parachute. We need to fold the polythene cover into 3 times as shown here. It is necessary to press the sides each time when you are folding the paper. When we press, we will get the lines in the polythene cover. Now we got 8 lines in the polythene cover. Let's do some design on the polythene cover so that the canopy will be looking a little colorful. I'm drawing a simple design using this marker, like just a curved line, so that it will be little colorful. I know that you can do a better design than this. The diameter of the polythene paper is around 20 centimeter. So I have taken around 30 centimeter length thread, and we know that there are 8 lines in the polythene cover. So we need 8 thread pieces like this. Keep the thread in one of the line in the polythene cover. Keep it properly and stick it with the tape and press it tightly so that the thread will not come out. Similarly, we need to stick the 7 threads in the remaining line. The parachute is almost ready. We need to tie all the threads together. For that, we need to take the parachute from the center like this, and we need to tie all the threads. We'll tie all the threads together using a ring or a nut. Here I am using a nut. Pass all the threads through the ring and tight it properly. Now your parachute is ready. You can play with this parachute by dropping at a certain height.